Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 1442.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. On today's show, we're going to talk about what does lock in your XRP mean? Because we got this phrase, lock in, and they may be indicating there's some kind of volatility or something coming that we may not be seeing. Now, often when the market is going one way or everybody's on one side of the boat, I tend to look at the other side and see what's going on. So recently, when everybody seemed to be so positive on Bitcoin and I couldn't find negative news anywhere, all I could find were cheerleaders talking about higher and higher price projections coming for Bitcoin. There were projections for $150,000, $250,000, $1 million, $5 million, and $13 million coming for Bitcoin. But there were no bears, nobody talking about why there could be a pullback in Bitcoin or anything that could go wrong. Now, I have heard people talking about how there's so much leverage right now in the market. And I think there are people that are levered up to buy Bitcoin. Not only that, but we know Michael Saylor himself is leveraging to buy more Bitcoin in his company MicroStrategy, which is getting added to the NASDAQ index on December 23rd. A couple of days before Christmas tends to have less liquidity in the stock market. So that in and of itself is going to mean there's not the normal liquidity we might expect. We have high leverage going on, and we may have hedge funds that may decide they want to take advantage of this and try to push the price down, forcing selling of Bitcoin. Now, I don't know if any of that's going to happen, but I did take the time to talk about this to my VIP Experience members, the people in my business who I give my market commentary to. And what I said was, I just want to point out some things I'm seeing that are warning caution is warranted. First, the bullish sentiment in crypto and stocks is very high, which is usually a contrarian indicator, meaning we could be due for a more substantial pullback. I wouldn't use any leverage to trade, or you could lose a lot of money. Secondly, while we're very excited about RLUSD, traders like to do the opposite of the emotional vibe. So they could force prices down, since most people are not expecting it. That is, force the crypto market down, force Bitcoin down, even force the price of XRP down, perhaps. It just seems like markets are moving into a place that could be very vulnerable. And hedge funds could use this lack of liquidity to short Bitcoin and drive prices lower on all cryptocurrencies. Now, a long time ago, we were told by multiple sources that XRP would rise like a phoenix out of the ashes. So I could see a scenario where all crypto could drop, just as we're so bullish with getting RLUSD launched. I don't know if crypto will drop, but I want you to be prepared in case XRP's price does drop sharply with all crypto for a little while. Perhaps that's where the phrase lock in came, because it's going to be a wild ride. But in the end, I believe XRP will rise and the RLUSD will likely provide liquidity for this or any disaster. And I also think after that, because so much money can be moving in RLUSD that then requires some XRP to be used, can help to push up the price of XRP. So those are the things that are in my thoughts right now. I've been in markets for many, many years and have seen this kind of irrational exuberance before, where everybody's positive and nobody's negative. And that's usually a key indicator that the market is about to turn the other way. And it could be in a big way this time, because there's so much leverage on Bitcoin and in the market, so much frothiness, so many people being bullish, expecting the price only to go up, that they are leveraged many, many times over. So I think this is a time for caution. I think we'll see what happens on the 23rd and afterward. I may be completely wrong, and I really hope that I am. But I think the markets look vulnerable here to a more substantial setback than anyone is looking for. And we need to prepare for that and be ready emotionally Because what you don't want to do is sell your XRP at the bottom of that and get scared out of what could be the next huge wave up for XRP. Because I still believe that we have 7 years of gains to make up for since we missed the last bull market. And I'm very bullish on XRP for the long term. It's just in this short-term time horizon, I think a lot of people might get shocked, and I don't want you to get caught in a terrible situation. So don't leverage your asset, lock it up, keep it safe in a cold wallet, get it off the exchanges, and let what's going to happen happen. Because this is what XRP and the XRP ledger were made for, and what RLUSD was made for. The liquidity, the speed, the scalability, it can handle it all. And it's my opinion that it will and come to the rescue. We just need to see how this plays out and stay locked in. If you haven't yet subscribed to Be Wealthy and Smart, hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified as soon as new podcasts are available. And all of my podcasts are on my website at lindapjones.com/podcasts. And while you're there, sign up for my weekly newsletter for more wealth tips for your financial freedom. That's all for today. Until next time, live the good life and be wealthy and smart.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.